Are you ready to take your career to new heights in the world of auditing? Introducing the Audit Training course at Audit Training. Equip yourself with the essential knowledge and skills for auditing excellence. Our course caters to various industries, including financial services, manufacturing, healthcare, government, IT, retail, and professional services. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced auditor, our tailored program will enhance your expertise. Work with real-world data, engaging in hands-on exercises and simulations, mastering various auditing scenarios. Modules include Introduction to Auditing, Fraud Detection, Professional Ethics, and more. Our beginner-level course spans 2 to 4 months, offering 35 sessions available full-time and part-time for your convenience. Unlock your auditing potential today. Enroll now at Audit Training.